In the home connection playing with area, page 100, number 4, the question says, the tumbling mats in the gym are each 10 feet by 8 feet. Miranda pushed 2 of the mats together so she would have enough room to do her routines. Use the sketch below to help find the total area of the 2 mats in square feet. Show your work. Find the total area. So we can use the number pieces app to solve that. It does have this I button on the bottom right corner. If I click on that, it gives me lots of ideas of how to use all the different tools. There's a lot of tools there. Very helpful information. This says that each mat in the gym is 10 feet by 8 feet. So this is perfect for this app because each of these here is 10 units. So if I have 8 of these to represent the 8 feet it goes across, I know that that's 10, 20, 30, that's 3, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 8. So if each of these units is 1 foot, according to the problem, I have 8 feet, and I can write that down, 8 feet. And if each unit is a foot, then that makes this 10 feet. So I have 1 mat is 10 feet by 8 feet. Now, according to the question, we're going to push 2 of these mats together and doubled it to make an even larger space for her. So one thing that I can do is I can use my mouse and draw a circle around that image, and then it highlights everything. Down on the bottom here, it says duplicate. If I click that, now I have 2 of them. So now I have these 2 mats that Miranda had, and I can push them together to make one big mat that she's using for her practice. So I know that it's still 10 feet on my vertical dimension, and then again, I'm going to have another now 8 feet on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can even just draw a little line there to show where I have 8 feet on the left and 8 feet on the right. And then I need to find the total area. And I can count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way across and so on. But since I'm in the app and I have access to these 100 pieces, I can cover up one of those pieces and see that it does fit perfectly. So that tells me that the area that's underneath the red is going to have an area of 100. I can just label that right on top, 100 square feet. And then I have the rest of this here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So that means that this has an area of 66 square feet. So I can see that 100 plus 60 is 160 square feet. Nice app to help us find area.